back. That machine tried to murder me.
I'm so worn out and alone in here.
Oh, hi. You're alive.
Missed me?
Look, something happened. Meet Speedy.
Hey, bro, no hard feelings. She needed someone who doesn't shrink. Zones? I have holes from your toenails. That's love.
You always disappear. Every wash, I got scared.
So you replaced me with Mr. Perfect Fit? I can't believe this, after all we've been through. That new sock is nothing compared to me. You'll regret this! Fine, take him. But he'll never know what it's like to be worn inside ugly Christmas slippers at 3 a.m. while crying. That was US!
I miss us. I miss our talks, our walks, just being together. Now it's just me and this empty drawer.
Wait, maybe we can all share the drawer? Polyamory is trendy now. No!
No! I'm sorry I moved on too fast.
I'm sorry I keep getting lost. Next time, sock bag? And so they reconciled until the next laundry day, because nothing lasts forever, especially socks.